Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious honeycomb toffee. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need granulated sugar, light corn syrup, water, and baking soda. It's also important to have your equipment ready. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and lightly grease it. Having everything prepped ensures a smooth process once the cooking begins. This sweet treat is surprisingly easy to make at home. Now let's start cooking our syrup. In a large, heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your granulated sugar, light corn syrup, and water. Place the pan over medium-high heat. It's crucial not to stir the mixture once it starts boiling. Let it cook undisturbed until it reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit. A reliable candy thermometer is essential for achieving the perfect texture. This stage requires patience and careful temperature monitoring. This next step is where the magic happens. As soon as your syrup reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat. Immediately add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the hot syrup. Whisk it in very quickly and thoroughly. You'll see the mixture foam up dramatically, expanding and creating all those wonderful air pockets that give honeycomb its unique texture. Work fast, as it sets quickly. Once the baking soda is fully incorporated, immediately pour the foamy mixture onto your prepared baking sheet. Do not spread it. Let it settle naturally. Allow the honeycomb toffee to cool completely and harden, which usually takes at least 1 hour at room temperature. Once firm, gently break it into irregular, bite-sized pieces. Store your delicious honeycomb in an airtight container to maintain its crispness. Enjoy this delightful crunchy treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.